G'day everyone and welcome to today's video. I'm going to work in my Dylusions Bigger Art Journal today, and I have cut out this butterfly out of the Tim Holtz Ideology tissue paper here, and I'm going to use the leftover tissue paper on the page also. And I have also got some words that I have typed up, and I've got this ampersand die that I've already cut out of book page. I've also picked out some colours of Dylusions paints that I may be using. I've also just recently purchased some oil pastel crayons from Mimi Bondi's store, and I'll link her online store down in the description box below. She's got some fantastic prices there, so be sure to check them out. So I'm going to be using the black and white crayons in this pack. Now I've also got some Distress Collage Medium that I'm going to be using to glue all my book pages and tissue papers down onto the page first. I'm going to also add some layers by stamping all over the page with this Venabar stamp and Jet Black archival ink. Now I've got my colour wheel here, and this really does assist me in picking my colours because sometimes I don't get the colours right. So what I'm going to be using is split complementary colours, and I know that I want to use a pink colour. So I just put the bottom of the arrow to where the pink colour is. So I think I'm going to be using this one here. They're very close and in between. So once I've got that, then I can actually find what colours that I can use in my split complementary colours. So I've got this pink here, I've got this greeny colour which is fairly close here, and I've also got this yellowy colour, so I think I need a turquoise colour. So just checking to see which colour would fit within these split complementary colours. So the colour wheel doesn't have the exact colours, but it's just a guide only. So once I've got those colours, then I can start applying the paint, and I'm just going to apply it with a sponge today, using the lightest colour through to the darkest colour. Now don't forget, all the products that I am using will be listed over on my website, and my website link will be in the description box down below. Now I've also got some darker pink and turquoise here, and I've got a stencil by Dylusions which I'm actually going to use to put this colour through to add some extra layers and interest to the page. Now I am applying the paint with a sponge dauber, and I do like using this technique. It's nice and fun and easy to do. Now I've got this tissue butterfly here that I've cut out of the Tim Holtz Ideology tissue paper pack, and before I actually glue it down, I'm just going to randomly draw some circles onto the page with some black oil pastel crayons and smudge them out. I'm going to add the white crayon into the middle of the circles and blend that out to the black outer circle. This will help make the circles pop off the page better. before I glue down my butterfly, I'm just going to get some white paint and just put down on where the butterfly is going to be. This will make the butterfly pop a bit more and not blend into the background. I'm just going to glue everything onto the page now using my Distress Collage medium in matte, and just going to use a paintbrush just to apply this to the back of my elements and glue them down. Now I've finished gluing all my elements down, and I've decided that I'm just going to add some black splatters to my page, but I don't want any splatters to go onto my saying here, so I'm just going to cover it up just with some scrap paper, just water down some black paint, and using a fan brush just splatter that all over the page. Now I've just got a black paint pen here, and I'm just going to go round my saying and my ampersand just with this pen, just to make it pop off the page, because it's just blending too much into the background and you can't really see the ampersand. And that's my page finished for today. I hope you like it, and if you have, please give me your thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell for up and coming videos. Until next time everybody, stay creative and see you next time. Bye for now.